ruled out the use of
We
force.
probably won't get anything unless I decide to use excessive strength and force where we would be, frankly, unstoppable. But I won't do that.
Sa taunang World Economic Forum sa Switzerland, sinabi ni US President Donald Trump na hindi siya gagamit ng dahas para makuha ang Greenland.
I don't have to use force. I don't want to use force. I won't use force. All the United States is asking for is a place called Greenland.
Kasunod yan ng mga naunang pahayag ni Trump na makuha ang tinaguriang pinakamalaking isla sa mundo. Bagamat itinuturing na bahagi ng North American continent, ang Greenland ay kontrolado ng Denmark. Ang kagustuhan niyang makuha ang Greenland ay dahil mahalaga raw ito sa national at international security at sa pangambang sakupin umano ito ng Russia o ng China.
Big, beautiful piece of ice. It's hard to call it land. So we want a piece of ice for world protection, and they won't give it.
Sabi ngayon ni Trump, magkakaroon ng kasunduan ng Amerika at ang North Atlantic Treaty Organization o NATO kaugnay sa kinabukasan ng Greenland.